Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Here you see me putting on some Flawless Finish foundation from e.l.f. in shade Nude, and I'm only putting that in the perimeter of my face because today we will be doing a Queen of Hearts inspired look as seen, sent to me by Jacqueline. Thank you so much. And I mixed e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealers, Fair Warm and Medium Peach for the brightness effect for the mask. As you can see, I did do my brows before. I would suggest doing your brows after the concealer, just so that your eyebrows can look more natural. Yeah, just with the bright concealer and then me cleaning up my eyebrows, you just see some like natural skin peeking through. Just preference, whatever you believe will look good. So take your time with this. Be as precise if you want to. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. But yeah, I did film this at night. That's why I'm doing a voiceover. After you got the shape down, you can go in with a bigger brush if you'd like. This is a BH Cosmetics brush. And I'm just filling in the heart. Setting it with Coty Airspun Translucent Powder. And break time. So yeah, I'm going in with the James Charles palette with those purples that you see there. The first shade I packed on my crease was Single. Then to deepen it up, I put Escape in the outer corner and bringing it slightly inwards. Remember, I do have this sped up, so just, take your time. The next shade I grabbed was Love That. And I put that on the outermost part to just make a better fade. And of course, I cut my crease. And here you see me picking out these shimmers. That first shimmer is Artistry. Next, picking up Hello, that nice blue. Light blue, and Ring Light. Those are the three shimmers I'll be packing on my lid. So first, going in with the lightest in the innermost portion, which is Ring Light. Same brush, picking up Hello. Didn't really like how it was applying with the brush, so I did use my finger, as shown here. You just want to blend that in. And to make a further transition with the purple, I used Artistry. So in the picture there was blush, and here you see me applying some blush. I didn't go as heavy as the picture just because I'm afraid of blush. You guys know this. I use blush but not so intensely. It's just literally just like a small wash of color. So here I picked up Tea to create that shadow of the mask. And I was very just rough with it. I didn't really mind it too much. And that's the final look, you guys. I really hope you like it. Little mask, glitter, the little heart, the glossy lips. I really hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a nice Halloween, a safe Halloween, and I'll see you guys very soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!